Konnichiwa, J1 here from AnimeMOVE. And like Naruto, whatever goal you're aiming for, you can achieve it with your very own way of the ninja. For today, we'll be breaking down the move routine for one of the more popular opening themes of the Naruto franchise, which is Silhouette by Kanabun, for the chorus. If you like our content, please like and subscribe, and comment down below for any of your thoughts and ideas. The chorus moveset is inspired by many of Naruto's different Rasengan moves in the series. We start the chorus with a run move, 1, 2, and then ninja run, 3 and 4. 5, prepare for the Rasen Shuriken, and then go for the 7, 8, and throw the Rasen Shuriken. And then on the other side, for the run, 1, 2, and then the ninja run, 3 and 4. Once again, get ready for the Rasen Shuriken, and then throw. For the next part, you start off with a ninja run again, 1, 2, into Naruto's Kagebushi no Jutsu Shadow Clone technique, 3, 4, finish off with the Rasengan and attack. And on the other side, ninja run, Kagebushi no Jutsu, Rasengan charge, and then Rasengan attack. Another set of Kagebushi no Jutsu, 1, 2, go for the Rasengan charge, and then attack. And then one more time, Kagebushi no Jutsu, Rasengan charge, and then attack. And finish off the chorus with a double speed Kuchiyose no Jutsu seals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's now try the chorus with some lyrics. Oboete nai koto mo takusahun atta daro. Dare mo, kare mo, shiruetto. Daiji ni shitetta mono. Wa sureta furi o shitanda yo. Nani mo na iyo. Wa ra eru sa. Awesome! Sugoi desu! You're now ready for the move routine for Naruto's opening theme, Silhouette. Remember, always take care of your health, and even for just a few minutes, get yourself to move. Minasan, MOOVOOいきましょう! Let's MOOVOO with AnimeMOVE. どうもありがとうございます。